Oh, Chucky, look at us. Don't you see? We belong dead.
She talks like,
I love you, Chucky.
oh my god, okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing the bride of Chucky. So her name is Tiffany and I'm so excited to unbox her because I've been waiting to get her. And if you guys don't know, I do Chucky episodes, so you can go watch it. And I also wanted her so I can do like episodes of her and Chucky. So I'm super excited. This is what she looks like in the box. I actually really like the box because I like the colors, and it also says Bride of Chucky Tiffany. And on the side here, it shows a cool picture of her out of the box in a cool position. And then on the back, it has like some information here. And then right here, if you click this button, it says try me. And she says like 2 phrases and a close-up of her right here. So I'm very excited to take her out, so let's get started. Okay, look at her, she looks so cool. I'm so happy I got her. Okay, so I'm gonna take her out of all this packaging. It's so weird because this one, it has like this on her face, but when I was unboxing Chucky, he didn't have that. Or maybe it's because of the hair or something. Ooh, her hair's so soft. And I honestly like her outfit. Okay. Oh my god. I got her! Whoa, her hair. Let me like fix it a little. Look at her, she looks so cool. Okay, so look at all the details. So her eyes are like green, and she has like very dark purplish pink lipstick, and she has like the tattoo, a heart with the name Chucky. It's so cool because in the movie it also shows that. And then her nails, look at her nails, they're so cool. They're like very sharp, black painted. Guys, I just found something. So I was looking at her nails, but then right here, it shows that she's like bleeding or like a cut or something. So weird and creepy. And she has her white wedding dress, and then her jean black jacket, and then her necklace says her name, Tiffany, and she looks so cool. She also has phrases, so I'm going to see what she says. So this is on try me, so it's gonna say like 2 more, and then I'm gonna switch it to the regular.
See, now that's the one coming to homicidal genius.
What did she say?
I love you, Chucky.
She's like, I love you, Chucky.
See, now that's the one coming to homicidal genius.
Something true home, something true blah blah. I don't know what she said. She talks so weird. I can't even understand what she's saying. Okay, I'm gonna like try to switch it. I don't know. this like? Okay,
I love you, Chucky.
that's the only word I can understand, ma'am.
I love you, Chucky.
Oh my god. Huh? Okay.
Coming to homicidal genius. I love you, Chucky.
What the hell? She keeps saying the same word. What is going on? Okay, let's see.
I love you, Chucky.
Oh my god.
Oh, so honey, I'm gonna poke you in the eye again.
She said something. I think she said stay still. I'm gonna poke you in the eye again. That's scary. Okay, hold on. Let me put her up.
See, now that's what.
Oh my god. What?
Were you born with that knife super glued onto your hand or what?
Huh? What is it?
Goodbye, darling. I'll see you in hell. Oh, Chucky, look at us. Don't you see? We belong dead.
She talks like.
I love you, Chucky.
Oh my god. Okay.
Hold still, honey. I'm gonna poke you in the eye again.
Oh, she said hold still, honey. I'm gonna poke you in the eye again. Wait, again? Does that mean she already poked somebody in the eye? Maybe she's talking to Chucky. I don't know.
I'll see you in hell. Oh, Chucky, look at us. Don't you see? We belong dead.
The way she says together, she's like, Dad. Oh, look at her. Oh, I love her boots. Look at her boots. I like them. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna position her. So I'm gonna like fix her hair.
Hold still, honey. I'm gonna poke you in the eye again.
That one's creepy.
See, now that's what of a true homicidal genius. Were you born with that knife super glued onto your hand or what?
I think that's the one she says to Chucky, because Chucky's always having his knife like on him.
Goodbye, darling. I'll see you in hell.
She's like, goodbye, darling. I'll see you in hell. What the? Okay, so I like this doll a lot, and I'm happy I got her, cause Chucky was a little bit lonely. So I'm gonna try to stand her here. You know what? You know that position she was in on that picture on the box? I'm gonna do that. Wait. Oh, I can't do it. That's all she can. Maybe it's this hand. Oh yeah, this hand. Her head is so hard to turn. Ooh, so creepy. That's what it looked like that. Oh my god. Okay. Here's Chucky. Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh. Look at that. Why do I feel like Chucky looks more funny looking? Or maybe it's how he's standing. Okay. Yeah, maybe that looks a little better. Okay guys, so I really like this doll and I'm so happy I got her. And also stay tuned for more new Chucky episodes with Tiffany in it. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.
I love you, Chucky.
What the hell? Bye.